Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Logitech Squeezebox Duet and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on the receiver of the unit, so not the controller. The controller is a separate video. But if you need to do a hard reset on this receiver, which you might want to do for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this receiver is not connecting to something, not connecting to Wi-Fi, keeps disconnecting, not responding, stuff like that. Or if you're setting it up on a new network, and you just, or for whatever reason, you just want to get a fresh start, like you're just setting this up like a brand new device, we can do this quite easily. So with this on, this should be lit up, there's lights here. We're just going to press and hold this lit up button, and just keep on holding it, keep on holding it, keep on holding it until it'll blink red slowly and then start to blink red quickly. Once it starts to blink red quickly, we can let go of it and just let it do its thing. It'll blink red for a while quickly, and then it will go to solid red, and then it will go to blinking slowly red again. And that means that it's all been reset and it can now be set up as a brand new device.